probably just my conciliaries. Capone, yeah. At the table, sit with mobsters, eating steak and lobster. John Howie, we ain't never sitting down at Benihana. Shit, I don't know what else to say, I'm a crime boss. Even Joe Pesci had to look up to the mob boss. You ain't never make it in this world if you can't take a loss. Ice fish shopping, remember days I used to shop at Ross. Single bag, soon as I say hi, Prince take the toss. Matter of fact, go to White Out, Prince just like Moss. My new car got individual, I used to ride a bucket. Stock 10 inside my gun and make it easier to tuck it. When I see the fleet, I get up out of sight, I'm screaming fuck it. Gotta be patient on the grind, there's no need to rush it.
I could write a book on the streets to get it published. I don't care if you spend the money, that don't mean I trust you. I be with the mob, $500,000 in a duffel. I'm my brother's keeper, I'm the reaper if you touch him. Champagne glasses, it's a toast to the real ones. I done lost some niggas, but I still got some real ones. Don't think this a fake, this a real one. Bones gonna cut his hands off if he steals something. I'm just sitting back in a black truck, feet up. Know some Mexicanos who can get you new visas. 3 flip phones, only one for if you need some. I done hit 6 states, and got my cheese out 'em. Outside with the dogs, yeah, he a bloodhound. I done brought that shit through myself, it's a touchdown. Hate people asking me questions I ain't ask you. I done had my way with a mob, Frank Matthews. I done threw away my last phone, they can't track me. I done put a lock on the door and sold my last key. If you don't know about the rules, don't ask me. Rolling with a lot of double G's in my backseat. I could write a book on the streets to get it published. I don't care if you spend the money, that don't mean I trust you. I be with the mob, $500,000 in a duffel. I'm my brother's keeper, I'm the reaper if you touch him. Champagne glasses, it's a toast to the real ones. I done lost some niggas, but I still got some real ones. Don't think this a fake, this a real one. Bones gonna cut his hands off if he steals something.